Hi all, see about the Nifty levels today. We'll quickly put the day chart for this. Still, as per super trend, we are in downtrend. Yesterday it formed a high and it went down, and it tried. Today market opened a gap down, but somehow it cannot able to sustain above the previous level close. So still, I feel market is in downtrend, and the next level of downside will be, if it is following this trend, it will be till this place. So possibly Nifty should come around the 17,100 level, and it will be returning back to the 17,800 in the coming week. If there is any chance, if Nifty breaks in the below range, it will be coming till 16,700 range. This is for the Nifty, and today this is my position. I have increased a few more quantity in 16,800 PE. This is in the weekly contract. Similarly, 18,000 CE and 800 CE. This I have added only for the margin purpose. And here I have reduced some of the put options and bought more call options. You can see this is a newly added contract, newly added call option 17,400 CE. Since market was bearish, I turned bearish after the yesterday's trade. So even though I was in a loss this morning, I somehow tried to close it around 15,000. If market was heading down, I can able to sustain till 17,100 and some levels. So we will see that levels in our break events in our sensible app. So as of now, yeah, I have reduced this put option. You can able to see previously yesterday I have 750 quantity, reduced 300 here, and similarly in this 7,200 no, yeah, this I haven't reduced, but somehow this one I have just adjusted to get a more premium. So what I did, I adjusted a 17,000 secondary 600 CE. I have sold 300 quantity and added more quantity in 17,400 CE. And VIX shooted up 2% today, 2 to 2.5. Yeah, 2.29% it shooted up today. If there is no interest rate increase and if no Omicron cases, the market will be stabilizing around this range and it will be like moving upwards. So the VIX will be coming down. I'm expecting that, but there are more chances that the interest rate might be increasing also because of the inflations are picking up in US markets. We quickly go into the Sensible app. I have it open here. Yeah. So this is the trade. I'm currently in a 35,000 loss, and we'll see the break even for this one. The same trade I have taken in a Sensible app to plot it like what is the break even and things. So I need to remove the expiry positions to get the view. So whatever there is profit, let's say like 17,700 or so I have reduced some 40,000 or 50,000. So I'm paying here in margin amount. Yeah. So whatever I'm buying, it will be like going off in every week. So that will be added here. And if Nifty comes down tomorrow, like 17,200, I'll be in no profit, no loss. If it shoots up in higher side, I will be in a risk. I need to change the position. So what I'm planning, if it crosses 17,500, I'll be changing the position. No, if it crosses 17,400, I will change the position. So if it crosses 17,400, what I will do, the current position 17,400 CE. So this 17,400 CE, I'll start reducing the position, or else I'll be adding more put options in the same range. Maybe like I'll make a straddle around this place, but I need more margin for this one. I don't know how I will manage. So need to see like how I'll adjust this position, or else mostly I will be like reducing the call options. And if the super trend, you can see I used to plot the super trend with 15 minutes. This is not possible. So if it is crossing this level 17,380, I will this will turn bullish candle. This will turn to bullish super trend. So I will exit this 17,400 and will take a buying position. So this is for the position change I'll be doing, and if it is crosses 17,200 in downside, like 17,200, there are more possibility that market will be going down. So I'll be coming out from the position, or else what I'll do, I will change the 17,000 put option. Yeah, the 17,000 put option will be in a profit. I will close this one and open it in 17,400 rate, so that I will be having less loss around this area. So my break even will be extending, and I'll be having more premium around this place. Yeah, I will be like CE will be coming down. Yeah. So what I'll do, 17,600 CE I will close, and I will open this in 17,400 CE. So this will become a proper straddle. So what I will do, how many quantities? 29, and here it is 22. So I will be moving this to here. So I'll be selling 17,000, exiting the 17,600 CE. I'll be selling 17,400 see that. No, it was confusing. So here P, so C, yes. So I'm right. See this 17,600 CE. I will close it, and I will make sell 17,400 CE. So it will become a straddle. Look for the level, and we'll go through the stocks today. Today, two stocks came into my radar. HDFC and SBI card GTT orders triggered. HDFC bought it around 2749, and State Bank the GTT triggered at 900. In my holding performance, even the market was down 0.25, I have closed in flat, and my loss currently is at 24,600. So my portfolio is less 1.67 percentage. Yeah. So if market goes to 17,600 around that, I'll be coming into the profit zone. So today, good performance in my sectors is in my holdings is Pidilite 1.3 percentage, but these are like very small holdings I have. But I'm happy that it went this much. ICC it went good. It's 0.62. Hindustan Liver went up. B Soft, State Bank of India. So these are stocks went good. Manappuram 0.5 down. HDFC Bank 0.58 down. Tata Consumer 1.94. Yeah, these stocks are going down. There are more possibilities, like I need to add a Naukri more. I have put a trigger. Let's see the further stocks which I'm planning to buy. If Naukri was not in the list, I'll be adding it. We'll see the Naukri levels. Probably we can add some more. Naukri is a very good stock to accumulate in every support level. So if it comes around 5084, I'll be accumulating few more stocks. We'll quickly put a trigger for that. Okay. What is the level we saw? It's around 5084. 5085, we'll say. 5085. We'll buy some 10 stock again. Yeah. 5085. We'll place it. So it is in 5.24 percentage. It had to come down. Britannia again 5%. Yes Bank it went up 20%. I don't think it will be coming back again. Biocon, Infi 5%. TCS 5%. India Mart there are chances it might be triggered. Muthoot Finance 6%. HDFC Life 1.42. There are chances for this. HDFC AMC no chance to get this triggered. KSCL, SBI, HDFC, ICICI Bank. There are no chances for this one. Let's see if some other stocks coming into the radar. IEX was going down, but however, this fantastic run given like 10% in the previous few days. It's still in positive. Coming to the IT sector, TCS went up, Infi went up. Yeah, all the technology sectors went up. ITC came down. I am planning to accumulate ITC. Not sure why it is going down, but it is a good stock to accumulate for a very long run. Like let's say if it goes to 500 or something, and like since it's a very good dividend giving stock, there are more chances like it will be benefiting us in a very long future. So we'll see the trend line for this. No trend line. Yeah, we cannot see any trend line here. The stock is not behaving a proper pattern. No proper pattern in this. So every time when it comes to 200, it is a good point of accumulation. I have missed it. See, it came in many places 200, 204 around this place. It's a good place of accumulation. So if we have accumulated in 200 range, so it was going around this one. Even I think it's a good place to accumulate. So what I'm planning for this stock around 20214, yeah, around this area I'm planning to accumulate 217. So I'm planning to accumulate some stock in 217, maybe bigger part of my position. ITC 217 100 250 stock. 500. Let's accumulate 500 stock in this place. 400 stock in this place. 5% it should come down. Other than that, Dabur in the Samlever and Rolex. Coming to the banking stock, HDFC as we saw it's 0.58 down. HDFC, Kotak, ICICI Bank it's 0.62% went up. Axis Bank again it is going in a good trend. We should have accumulated in this place. It found a very good pattern here, but still it's a good place to accumulate. But since there is a good support area covering, it will act as a resistance. It might come down a little bit, and you can start accumulating it. Maruti, but I'm not interested since the trend already it went up a little bit against all banking sectors. This is keep moving, so we need to keep watching this. Reliance. So Reliance is a big dragger for our market. Even market was close to 0.25. Reliance alone have contributed more for this. It went down 1.2 percentage. And if it is following this pattern, there are more chances it should go up. But it formed inverted hammer. So there are chances it might be coming down. If it come down, if it comes down, it is breaking this trend. So there is more slide towards 2270. Yeah, around this range it might come. Idea started going down. India Mart, yeah, India Mart. I thought of accumulating for a long time, and it is coming in a good range now. So there are more chances it might get triggered tomorrow. Whether India Mart is there in my trigger. India Mart, yes. Xbox 30. Oh my god, I haven't noticed this. So the stock price is 6990, and if I accumulate 10 stock, it is 69,000, and I have did 30, so it is like more than yeah, more than 2 lakhs. So I don't want it. I will reduce the position to 10. I want to see this weekly chart of this India Mart, how it performed. It's a good stock to accumulate. Yeah, so it's good to accumulate. Maybe I will increase it to 15. Mm, make it 10. It's a good place to accumulate. There are more bounces whenever it is coming to this place. So we need to wait for some time, but surely it will be like giving a bounce. So that's good for us. At least let's say like it is coming to this level, it will be like a 10, more than 10, 12 percentage, 15 percentage. Yeah. So India Mart, we saw SBI got today triggered. Full India, it was going up. Full India, it's a good stock. Let's see the very longer view of this stock. This trend is quite disturbing. It was like if it is coming down, it was keep on coming down. So we cannot able to predict the trend of this mark. So here it is forming a good trend, but when it is coming down, it's coming around this place, and yeah, good stock to accumulate, but it is not in a very good range. So I will skip this one. Balakrishna Industry. I think I have put a GTT order for Balakrishna Industry. It put it and then it got failed. Yeah, it's not there. I have put around this place due to very less margin. It's not triggered. I'll put it in the same place around here. This is the day chart. I will see the weekly chart of this. The trend is very good for this stock. But it's not in a good trend because the next support is coming around this area 18,200, 18,020. So if you see it in day chart, You can see like some trend is forming, but yeah, next so 18,050 around this area only we need to wait and buy. So better we can wait for it. I'll buy it in this place itself, 18,070. Only 870. I quickly see the open interest for today. So in current week, there are many put and winding today. Since market is going down, they have closed a 17,800 and 17,400 put option, and they have returned aggressively the call. You can see there are more call return today, like 6.7 million call return, versus 3.3 million put change. So there is a strong resistance around 17,400 and 300, and this is a historic chart for this week. The strong support is in 17,600, and 17,500 is is resistance. Yeah, 17,600 is strong resistance, and even 17,500 will also act as a strong resistance for this week. So it is even though market is heading down, yeah, quite different to see this kind of levels. Even 17,800 also they have written put. So it's showing that market might bounce back anytime. And PCR is 0.5 and it is nearing very low. So there are chances that market might bounce back. And in monthly, current month, there are 17,300 straddles written. Um, 17,300, 400, 500, there are straddle, and there's a strong support in 17,000. It's a good news. So market should not go beyond 17,000. So this showing that the market is still bullish. So 17,000 is a very strong support. You can see there are 4.9 million puts written even now also, and there is no much call rating here. Intimates that market can go back to previous levels. We need to wait and watch. But as per the price action, it's showing that Nifty is in a round trend. You can see this trend line. Until unless Nifty crosses this range, 17,700 or above, 17,750 or above, Nifty will be in the bearish mode. But however, the option interest, the open interest, it is showing differently. So 17,000 is a good support. That is happy news. And 17,300, 400, 500, they have created a straddle. And for the January month, 17,500 straddle is there. So intimating that market will be like within this range. So the market levels will be for at least for the December, it will be around 17,000 to 17,700 or 800. Since this straddle, they have calculated some 300 points from here. So 17,300 or maximum it can go till 17,800. For January month, there are more bullish things forming. You can see the put call ratio 1.7. So there are more puts written than a call. So market will be moving up in the January month as per the open interest. Similarly, for the month also 1.4 is a PCR. So intimating that there are more puts written than calls. So again, we need to be like seeing the bullish pattern also. So accordingly, we'll change the position size. Let's see money control news today. What is that? RBI issues prompt corrective action framework for NBFC. So NBFCs will come into force on October 1, 2000 based on the financial position of NBFC. Okay, there are some correctiveness measures taken by RBI for NBFC, and Pfizer confirms the COVID pills results potency versus Omicron. So there are some lab verification for the pills. AI looks bring Indians first electrolyzers may hire ship to ferry LNG to US. Okay, so this is a big news awaiting Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to begin pre-budget consultation from December 15. So there are chances that market will be moving up. So I do see whenever there is a announcement for the budget will be on February. But whenever there is a budget, especially with market, especially when market is down, whenever there is a announcement from finance minister, market will be shooting up. So there are more chances market will be going up. So accordingly, we'll take some position on the trade. Other than that, PCA test mandated for passengers arriving from at-risk countries to 6 metro cities. Coronavirus Omicron 11 days universal average. Okay. Not a big news today. No draggers for the market. Top gainers today are Power Grid, Divis, Nestle, Dover, Dr. Reddy, Axis Bank, and top losers are ITC, Bajaj Finance, Tata Consumer Products, Kotak Mahindra, Bharati Airtel. Bajaj Finance is not doing good for the last couple of days. They're selling more in the stocks. So that's it for today. Not much news. Yeah, thank you.